What's up, guys? BlueMoon Mining here, and wow, you guys are probably like, didn't you just buy this? Oh yeah, I did just buy this, but I'm gonna sell it. I'm also gonna sell this and possibly my S19, and I also have that motherboard and CPU that comes with a cooler as well that I'm planning on selling. If anyone's interested in buying it, I accept crypto or, like a Venmo payment or something. Sorry, my hands are really shaky right now. My goodness. I threw my shoulder out today, so I'm really shaky. But, yeah, I'm planning on selling this. I accept crypto or Venmo or any of that stuff. But I'm going to sell it all just because I need some capital right now. And I don't really have a use for it. So if you're interested, email me, bluemoonmining@gmail.com, and I'll get back to you if you're interested in the Goldshell Byte. This has an AE card and a DG card. It has all the plug adaptions and all that stuff. I'm only going to do in North America or in the US because I can't afford stuff, so just in the US. But there's a KS0 Pro. I got my Goldshell Byte that has an AE card, DG card, and then I have a Z 390A Pro with an Intel 9600K, and it has a it has a Cooler Master Hyper 212 Evo, I believe is what it is for a cooler. And I don't really have a price, but like this would be probably like 80 bucks. I don't know the price of this, so I'd have to look. I'll have all of that in the description if you guys are interested. Just gonna go on eBay and just kind of add up how much all of it would be. Give a fair price, of course. And my S19 I may sell for 300 bucks. I'm not 100% sure. It works as far as I know, and it has my sticker on the power supply. The only thing I'm keeping, of course, is this bad boy because it's solo mining, but we're at a Zeta hash. I don't know if I'm gonna hit a block anytime soon, but the difficulty just dropped yesterday night, and yeah, the thing reset last night because of the storms. But yeah, so I'm selling a bunch of stuff, kind of getting some capital built around, and then I plan on eventually buying new ASICs in the future. I may have a few more ASICs coming to me from somebody. I just gotta pay shipping for them. So. But yeah, they're Ethereum Classic ASICs. I gotta talk to him, see if he plans on shipping them or not. It's not 100% as far as I know, but it'd be pretty cool to have some Ethereum Classic ASICs. But yeah, so that's my big update. Kind of just downgraded a bunch of the farm, and yeah. I also have that ARC A750. That I don't know if it works. I know that lights up and everything, the fans spin, all that. I just don't get the display out, so I might sell that for like 80 bucks or something too. I mean, I can guarantee it works, it just probably doesn't display. I don't know how to work that through, but if everything else lights up and stuff, it seems like it works. For sure, because it used to be somebody's mining card before they gave it, so it was probably loaded up on Hive OS, never got the proper firmware or anything, which may be why it doesn't want to display. So it'd be something that somebody has to kind of troubleshoot. But 80 bucks is a fair price, I believe, for a used card that I'm not sure if it works or not. If anyone wants to talk lower, I really don't care. But yeah, so I have that stuff in the description if you guys want to check it out. Email me will also be in the description, or message me on X. I'll also have that in my description, because that's probably how I get back to you, is either email or that. So other than that, peace out.